Hey everyone, thanks for joining us for our recipe photo tutorial. This is just one of 4 videos we have around photos, so if you're looking for tips and tricks on formatting, head over to that video. If you need help with your cookbook photos specifically, there's a video for that too, and then also a video on how to design your front and back cover. But for now, you're in the right spot to learn about your recipe photographs. Now, when you enter a recipe, you can add a photo right there. But if you run into troubles, like either you don't have a photo at the moment, or if you entered the wrong photo, there's a way to help you with that too. So we're going to first start by heading over to Cookbook Home. We're going to scroll down to Photo Managers, and we're going to go to the Recipe Picture Manager. You can see here in the center. Now, there are, of course, a couple ways to get here, but this is probably the most efficient way. And here you can see any recipes that already have a photo. So if you're looking to add a photo to a recipe that doesn't have one, this isn't the spot. I'll go over that in just a couple of minutes. But if you need to change a photo, this is where you're going to go. Now, I happen to know that the Little Smokies and Beer Sauce photograph is wrong. So I'm clicking edit over on the right hand side. And as you can see, that looks a heck of a lot like chicken Alfredo. So let's change the photo. And let's pick our Little Smokies to make that correct. And then scroll down, and we're going to save as long as the other settings are correct. So much like with the other wizards, you can put in a name for your photograph. If you want a caption that would be typed in automatically for you and show up under the photo, you can put a caption. Of course, alternatively, you can type your caption yourself on the photo, either in Canva or Photoshop or whatever program you use. I've already selected I want it to be full page size, in the center of the page, color, and then having a 2-point line all the way around it as a picture frame. So I'll save the changes there. And that's how easy it is to update a photo on a recipe. Now, if you need to actually add a photo to a recipe, head over to View Recipes. And in this case, I'm just going to go into the appetizers. And as you can see, it'll show me all the recipes I've already entered under the appetizers category. And for each one that already has a picture, it has a little denotation that says pick. All right. But St. Louis style pizza does not have a pick. So I'm going to edit, and I'm going to add a recipe photo right here on the right-hand side, and then simply go over to save so that it will save that photograph. Now, the problem with that is it didn't open up the photo wizard for me, so I'm not sure how big that photo is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the photo right here, and it will bring the wizard up for me. Oh, good thing I did that, because I would like for it to be full page size, in the center, keep it color, and I do want that 2-point line so that it matches the rest of my photographs. I don't need a caption. The name's already there. I'm going to click Save Changes, and boom, that is done. So that is your Recipe Picture Manager in a nutshell. And thanks for joining us. If you need more tips and tricks or info on cookbook pictures, go ahead and check out those videos as well.